about the outlook for the rupee. I reached out to Amit Pabari of CR Forex and I began by asking him what is happening with the rupee's flows.
Recently, 18 days back, RBI released its monthly bulletin. In the monthly bulletin, there is one beautiful piece of information, which is how much forward position does RBI had or is having. So, as on 30th April 2025, net sell position in RBI forward book is close to $72 billion. अब ये $72 billion है. Let us break that or let us decode that. So currently we are having a forex reserve close to $700 billion. उसके अंदर पे $589 billion is foreign currency asset. And then we have gold and we have other aspect. तो 589 में से 70 to 80% is in dollar. Rest 20 to 30% is in different currency. So approximately $470 billion का dollar reserves we have. Now, if we are net sold off by $72 billion, which means that 15% of our total reserves is in selling side. Now, why are we in such a position? We have to go back to history. In September 2024, ये जो आज 72 billion net short position है, it was approximately minus $16 billion. September to October, it increased drastically. Why? Because during that time, dollar index went up from September 2024 to Jan 2025. Dollar index moved from 99 to 110 kind of a level, which means that dollar got stronger by 11-12%. During that time, Shaktikanta Das, in order to protect the volatility of rupee, what he did, he was selling forwards. So at one point of time, our forward was minus $89 billion, which has come down to minus 72 today. So what has happened? That is the main reason why other Asian currencies, if they are appreciating by 3%, we are appreciating by 1%. Why? This is the reason, as and when the flow is coming, RBI is trying to square off those positions which was holding with them. So 89 become 80, 80 become $72 billion. That is fundamental reason why we are not getting stronger as compared to other Asian currency. And let me give you a insight also. We did not got weaker also at that point of time when other currencies got weaker much higher than us. So basically, what RBI is doing? RBI is doing a fantastic job. Manage the volatility, boss. Keep the volatility low. Once you keep the volatility low, then you are able to attract FII, you are able to attract FDI. That's a broader vision. So he's able to do it very well. They are powerful, they are smart, they're up to date. They know exactly when they have to sell and exactly when they have to buy. That is the first broader reason. Second, what has happened in the month of June? RBI reduced the interest rate by 50 basis points. So basically what has happened because of that, interest rate differential between US and India have reduced drastically. And we have seen some amount of money going out from the bond market. So primarily, first reason was more valuable. Second is a subset point. Because of this two reasons, we are not appreciating as much as other currencies like Japanese yen or Chinese yuan.
Right. So if you're saying that the forward positions are still high, so does that mean that the outlook also therefore is such that we will not see much appreciation or very steady appreciation, if so?
If I become the Reserve Bank of India's governor, then I will ensure that first I will clear off this $72 billion, then only I will allow rupee to appreciate. So basically, we can say that if the pace of appreciation will be slow for some more time.
Okay. So let me ask the other question. So the dollar is weak and continues to be weak. So how do you see that in terms of interplay? Assuming, so let's say if the dollar becomes weaker or the pace at which it's weakening accelerates, as we've seen in the last couple of days, quite literally, there's pressure on US Federal Reserve for change. There's still a lot of concern about where the tariff deals will land. So the dollar could become much weaker. So do you see that having any further impact on the rupee?
So I will answer that question into two parts. First, currently dollar index is trading near 97. If someone asks me today, what is your favorite view today? I will say dollar index should take support at the current level and bounce back again towards 100, 101 kind of a level. Last time when we met, at that point of time, dollar was trading near 105, 106, and we said that dollar can go below 99 kind of a level, and exactly the same has happened. Now, I think short dollar is a overcrowded trade. At this point of time, I will say, let me take a break on the overcrowded trade, make a contrarian view, and say that dollar index can bounce back towards 100, 101 kind of a level. That's the view. Now, what will happen to rupee? I think broader range of rupee can be 80, 480 will act as a strong support. 84, 80, 85 will act as a strong support. And probably rupee can again move back towards 87, 87, 20 kind of level. As I have said earlier in the interview, that RBI is doing a fantastic job. They know how to manage the currency and they have been able to do it very well, boss. So probably if rupee goes near 87, 87, 20 kind of a level, they probably will don't mind to sell few $1 billion at the peak level and again probably come and buy near 85, 85 and a half kind of a level.
Right. Last question, Amit. So, there's been a lot of action in the euro and the pound against the dollar. And we've seen how the euro is obviously strengthened, which I guess it's not been for a while. Is that something that we should be looking at as well from an India point of view?
To answer this question, the question arises, is it whether euro got strengthened because of its own merit or it got strengthened because US dollar got weaker? We all know that the euro got strengthened because dollar got weaker because of its problem like that Trump tariff policy and all. In order to predict dollar rupee momentum, we need to see what is dollar index doing, what is crude oil doing, what is RBI doing. These are the major point which is going to impact us. Euro derivative है ऑफ डॉलर, तो उस पर ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. ये जो 3 बड़े फैक्टर है वो है डॉलर इंडेक्स, क्रूड ऑयल एंड आरबीआई. दिस आर द मेन फैक्टर्स व्हिच कैन ड्राइव or which can predict, which can help us to predict dollar rupee momentum.
Amit, we've run out of time. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Pleasure is mine.